Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a new brand. It's called TSC, the speed car. It's from RW Diecast model. It's a Chinese brand, and as you can see, it's Aston Martin Vantage. I'm not sure how this brand is positioned in the market. I don't have any other casting from the same brand, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So before we deep dive into it, here's a quick look at the casting. By the looks of it, it looks to have some nice details. So here's the Aston Martin Vantage out of its box, and I think it does look good by the looks of it. I like the paint on it. The green and neon green stripes look good. I'm gonna start from the front. In the front, you've got some really nice details. You've got the Aston Martin badge, you've got detailed headlamp, grille, splitter, and obviously you can see the stripes going from front to back. So a lot of good details here. It actually looks really nice. Now going back to the driver's side. On the driver's side, again, you can see a lot of good details. The wheels look nice. They actually look like what you will have on the actual car, so they looks really good, I guess. And the tires are also rubber, again, good to have that. On the side, obviously door handles, the flush door handle, what Aston gets these days. Mirror, this black trim piece, and you also have some vents there. So a lot of good details on the side, actually looks really nice. Coming to the back, again, back is also nicely detailed with detailed tail lamp, V12 Vantage badges, and a big splitter. You can see it's like huge. Split diffuser, actually a diffuser. You got a spoiler on the trunk. So a lot of good details in the back, and if you see, you can also see some stuff inside there. I'm not sure, it's just like a flat surface. On the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference, there is a fuel filler door right there. There's no glass in the windows on either side, so I don't know if you can see the interior. It's dark, I guess. But yeah, overall looks really good. This that looks from the top. And the base is in plastic, screwed on, no rivets. And it's obviously from China. You can see the price company name. I think I've seen that name on some other castings too. I just can't remember. Overall, I can't remember the price of this one, but I think it's from a lot of different castings coming from China. The closest thing I can remember to this is the CCA. So some of the CCA cars have this kind of detail, but they have painted headlamps. This one actually has that plastic or acrylic piece, which looks better, I guess. You also can see a lot of details around the windshield too. Yeah, so I think it's a nice casting. I'm not sure if this brand is available wherever you're watching it, and I don't think it's available in the Canadian market either. I got it from an online seller, so I'm not sure. And I think this is the only one I've seen yet, so there might be other ones already out there or coming in future, I guess. Yeah, so if you can find one, I think you won't be disappointed with this one. This one is good. I would say it's close to Hotwheels Premium minus the metal base when it comes to details. Obviously the wheels, Hotwheels has fixed number of wheels. This one is more close to the true one. So I like it. So those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.